Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. This first one kicks things off with Philip Wolf. If you are not familiar with his work, you are in for a major treat. So the client here does have some various colors going. He does cut the hair first. Oh, I really like the way he did the bangs. Oh, she got this beautiful rainbow shaggy cut. I love the way that the color came out. So pretty. And the way that this cut shapes her and frames her face, perfection. Now for our next transformation, we have someone who wants to go electric blue. So if you are new to the channel, one of the hottest hair color trends for 2025 has actually been blue hair, believe it or not. It's something that is bold and unique. And the client here looks like she has a mullet style. And she's going to kind of shake things up even further. Now, obviously, a mullet is already something bold and edgy. So that blue is really just going to make it pop even more. But it looks like she is going to do something else with the cut. Okay, so she wants to get a bit of shaggy cut here. Ooh, so cute. I love that color. All right, so moving on to transformation number 3. Now she has like this peachy ginger hair color going here. Let's add some texture with the flat iron. Pretty simple, cute, everyday hairstyle. I love her hair color. Next up, we have this salt and pepper pixie. Very cute. This frames her face so well. Looks like she did get some color here, but platinum. So for the next transformation, she's also going to be getting some color. Wow, look how much foil. That is a lot of foil. There is the before and there is the after. So she did get a cut here as well. Beautiful blonde. Gorgeous transformation. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.